I hope you are now able to see. This is the esophagus. ठीक है, मान लो यहाँ पे फूड है, ये distal part of the esophagus rather like this. ये proximal esophagus है, ये distal esophagus, distal esophagus collapsed है, ठीक है, obviously collapsed. तो जब wave of peristalsis आएगी, ये जो part है, look here, ये जो part है, ये dilate करेगा. अब ये जो dilate करेगा, what is happening? You can see here, if this dilates, I want you to see this, right? अगर मैं ये हाथ में proximal end को मैंने दबाया, अगर मैं proximal end को दबाया, तो ये तो pressure लेके distal end क्या हो रहा है, dilate हो रहा है, ठीक है, same thing ये होगा. Proximal, अगर मुझे इसको ऐसे करना देखो, look here, proximal end जा रहा है, ठीक है, proximal end पे pressure है तो distal end dilate होगा, और आपका peristaltic wave देखो. So ये तो beautiful example here. This is the proximal contraction, this is distal dilatation. लेकिन जैसे ही मेरा proximal end वापस आएगा, like this, you can see it, जैसे ही वापस आएगा, what is happening? ये अपनी जगह, right? So as you can see, this is how a wave of peristalsis runs, right? There's a proximal contraction, distal, proximal, distal. यहाँ से होगा proximal goes distal, proximal, distal, and the food goes like this. So this wave of peristalsis runs like this. Proximal end, it goes this, ऐसे करते हो. And see, this part which is collapsed will open up. Why it will open up? Because you can see here. I'm just scared it should not blow up, right? As you can see, this wave of peristalsis will keep moving. It will keep moving. You can see it. जो collapsed end, it will now open up, right? This collapsed end, see, the collapsed end is open. छोड़ो, ठीक है? This is beautiful. You can see. As you can see. Yeah. This keeps opening up, right? So this is how a wave of peristalsis goes on. Proximal contraction, distal relaxation, proximal contraction, distal relaxation, ऐसे. तो ये जो part है, this distal end which is collapsed, is only able to open. There is no machine, there is no pressure mechanics here. It is a wave of peristalsis that is actually causing the pressure to go forward and dilate. अब मान लो ectasia cardia में ऐसे ही मिलेगा ना, इसी को तो बोलते हैं radial appearance, vertical appearance, obviously collapse ही रहेगा. This is going to remain collapsed. There is no इतने part में मान लो कि अगर peristalsis है ही नहीं और food यहाँ से from here there is no peristalsis, food will only drop. It will only drop and continue to accumulate until it does not generate enough amount of pressure to go down here. जैसे जैसे आप weight डालोगे food का तभी तो नीचे जाएगा, तभी खुलेगा. And that is your ectasia cardia. इसके अलावा कुछ है नहीं, फालतू में हवा बना के रखा हुआ है. ठीक है? Is the concept clear?